Doing some work on my pressure washer. It looks like the mice have decided to invade. So I've taken it apart, at least taken the cover off to clean it all out, and hopefully I can get it running again after I've cleaned all that crap out. A lot cleaner now than it was. Still a little rusty in places, but I can clean that off. That's not a problem. I got to reattach the fuel line and the pull start. I don't have a fancy electrical connection to start that up, but hopefully after giving it a few pulls it'll start up. I'll reassemble this and see how we go. Okay, so it's cleaned up and put back together enough for me to at least try it now. So I'll put it into run position. It's choked, and the oil filler is back in place for the time being, just temporarily. So time to give it a pull and see what happens. It's difficult doing this with one hand, holding the camera. Well, that was successful, and now it's I guess time to put it completely back together, and hopefully I can get it cleaning various things with the power washer. I'm not going to run it for long, not without any water running through it. Don't want to damage the pump. So anyway, looks like we're good to go. I'm going to put it back together now.